Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about pronouns and how to apply the accusative here. Let's get started. Die Frau sieht den Mann. The woman sees the man. What we see here is that der Mann becomes den Mann because it's the direct object of the sentence and we therefore have to use the accusative. But what if we want to use a pronoun for the man? Pronouns are words like I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, words we use instead of nouns. That's why it's called pronoun, Latin for in place of nouns. You're learning so much today. So what if we wanted to say the woman sees him? Then we would say die Frau sieht ihn. And here we see that the accusative also applies to pronouns, which is why er becomes ihn. And all the other pronouns have their own accusative form as well, of course. So here are the nominative forms we know and their corresponding accusative forms. Ich becomes mich. Du becomes dich. Er becomes ihn. Sie and es actually do not change, which is nice. Wir becomes uns. Ihr becomes euch. And again, sie stays sie. But that's a bit abstract. Let's take a look at some examples. For he sees me, we'd say er sieht mich. For I'm calling you, just one person, we'd say ich rufe dich an. For she loves him, we'd say sie liebt ihn. For he loves her, we'd say er liebt sie. For I'm loving it, we'd say ich liebe es. For he sees us, we'd say er sieht uns. For I like you, we'd say ich mag euch. For I love them, we'd say ich liebe sie. I hope that these examples made it a bit clearer how we apply the accusative to pronouns. And I hope that they also showed that German is actually not that different from English here. So, what have we learned today in a nutshell? We have learned that not only nouns, but also pronouns have a nominative and an accusative form. When we use a pronoun as a direct object, we have to use the accusative. Now you know how to apply the accusative to German pronouns. If you want to learn those pronouns and practice their usage, then just click on the link below. For a free exercise, as always, no sign up necessary. For more explanations, exercises and fun learning games, visit our website at www.wasdas.com. There you'll also find a table with the pronouns we just learned and a digital flashcard set to learn them. You'll find the link down below as well. In our next video, we'll take a little break from the German case system and talk about some important German adverbs. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun German lessons. See you next time. Bye bye.